Hello, it's Sierra with WTI.
Do you enjoy being able to breathe? Yeah, me too. That's why I bought this air purifier.
And now I'm no longer blowing my nose 20,000 times a day just because of all the debris and the dust in the air. It also has a little tray for essential oils so the whole room smells good. Super easy to use. You plug it in, turn it on. Let me let you hear this fan. Nearly silent. But if you like a little bit of noise, you can turn it up. But if you're a white noise lover like myself, this fan on setting number 3 will put you right to sleep. You can also turn the lights right off. I love the timer setting because I just set this in my room, set it on a timer, and fall right to sleep. This filter is an absolute breeze to change. It's also so fine that it captures all kinds of airborne particles, leaving your air feeling fresh in your lungs. I swear by it. Pop on the back, and now I can finally get some rest without all the hacking and coughing, and I still get to enjoy some quality pup time. And that's just my point of view.